Hey guys, Adam here, hope you're well. I've got something very exciting to share with you. It's been a long time coming, but it's finally here. So yes, we are doing a course, and by we I mean myself and Howard off of Wing Wednesday fame, and by course I mean a fully fledged online wedding how to build a wedding videography business course. There's going to be more info soon with proper announcements and everything to follow, but I wanted to let you guys, this audience, in first and give you a bit of a head start, because what we're doing is the first 100 people to register their interest in the course, I am giving away completely free Wedding Videographer's Starter Pack. A pack of resources that I've built to help you as a wedding filmmaker and videographer, and I could sell this in of itself, but I'm including it in the course completely free for the first 100 people that register their interest. So in this video, I just wanted to go through and give you an overview of what's included in this resources pack. But first, a few notes on the course itself. Who is this course for? Well, myself and Howard have worked really hard on this, and we're calling it the Complete Wedding Film Business. And we want it to be a course that, there's loads of great filmmaking courses out there, but we wanted to make a course that covers the wedding filmmaking side of things, of course, but is also a fully fledged, deeply detailed course on the business side of weddings, the business side of the industry. So absolutely, this course is for beginners. If you've never picked up a camera before and you're just thinking of getting into wedding videography, then absolutely this course is going to be great for you. If you're a photographer thinking of transitioning over into videography and you're wanting to learn the editing techniques, the filmmaking compositions, then yes, this course is going to be for you. It's going to cover everything on the filmmaking side, from the kit that I use, how to film a wedding day itself, all the editing, how to make a short film, how to make a long film, loads of editing tips and tricks, and all that kind of filmmaking side is going to be covered, but so much more on the business side as well. Howard's taking you through loads of techniques to get more inquiries, convert more inquiries into bookings, how to deal with clients, how to meet couples, how to get in with venues, how to get testimonials, how to build referrals and network and win awards. There's so much stuff on the business side of things that we're going to cover as well. So absolutely, if you're a beginner, this course is going to be fantastic for you. If you're a photographer coming over into video, there's going to be loads of stuff that you can learn in terms of the videos, the filmmaking side of things, the editing. But equally, if you've been established for a year or 2 years, or you've even been doing this 10 years and you're just wanting a few new ideas, a bit of a freshen up, you're starting to see that inquiries are drying up maybe, or your booking ratios are a bit down as the market keeps getting more saturated, then there's going to be so much stuff and so much value in this course on the business side alone that is going to be beneficial to all levels of experience in this industry. So whatever stage that your business is at, whether you're just getting started, you've never picked up a camera before, or you've been in the business 10 years and you're just wanting some motivation and fresh ideas. And what's included in the course, as I've said, there's going to be two sections. It's essentially two courses in one. There's a wedding filmmaking, how to build beautiful, personal, natural wedding films. That's all covered in one half of the course. That's a course in of itself. And then there's going to be a whole half of the course on business stuff. So I'm going to be covering the filmmaking side, Howard's going to be covering the business, and it's essentially two courses in one. I'm going to take you through the kit that I use, the kit choices, the filmmaking theory behind the filmmaking, exposure, lighting, apertures, all those kind of technical aspects of filmmaking, composition, how to shoot a wedding day and how to behave and be in that environment of a wedding day, and then obviously editing, how to make films, how to export them, how to store footage, how to get the most out of music and sound effects and all those kind of things. Then you're going to apply all that to the business side, and Howard's going to take you through, now that you've learnt all those skills, how to get weddings, how to get wedding experience and build portfolio, how to generate inquiries, how to meet couples and convert them into paying clients, how to upsell them, how to network, how to win awards and build authority in the industry, how to get in with venues, how to build up a referral based testimonials. There's so much good stuff, and I don't want to give too much away because, as I say, there's loads more info to come, and this video is more about the free giveaway. But I'm just so excited. So if you are interested in learning more about this course, please do register your interest. There's a link in the description below so that you can do that, so that you can register your interest, and there's going to be loads more info coming soon. And again, the first 100 people to register for the course will get this wedding videographer's starter pack included in the course completely free. The first 100 people. So let's get into what's included in the pack. Well, it's a collection of resources, PDFs, email templates, music playlists, so much more. I'm giving you all my PDF templates for all the admin side of things. Let me just consult my list so I don't miss anything. I'm giving you I've turned my pricing guide into a template that you can use. I've turned my GDPR data privacy policy, data protection policy into a template that you can use. I've turned my wedding details questionnaire into a template that you can use. I'm giving you templates for contracts and terms and conditions and invoices that you can send to couples. I've even got a PDF full of email templates. So I have all these different pre-made email responses for different scenarios. So when a couple initially inquire, I've got a reply for that. I'm giving you a template for that. I'm giving you a template for how to chase up inquiries if they're ghosting you. I'm giving you a template for how to go through, explain the booking process to them and send the invoice to them, and how to chase up payments and final balances and get details off them. I'm giving you a template for how to get testimonials and reviews out of the couple after the wedding, how to the email template that I send with the wedding film on it when I deliver the online link to the wedding film. Loads more email templates in there as well. So there's all that stuff on the kind of the admin side of things, that all those templates that I'm giving you and including in this pack. I'm also including my color grade in there, the LUTs, my color grade LUTs, plus some notes on the picture profile settings on my camera that I use in conjunction with this. So you've got the notes on my settings that I use on my camera, and the color grade LUT is going to be included as well, so you can kind of mimic that kind of look that I have in my films, the color that I use. I'm giving away a collection of sound effects that I've built up over my years, and these are like sound effects for like city noises or forest noises or beach like sound effects that you can use in your films. But these are sound effects that I've recorded myself over time, or I've bought online, and I'm putting together a collection of those and including those in this pack. I'm even putting together a playlist of all like recommended songs that I use for my wedding films, songs that you can use in your highlights films, but also songs that you can use in your feature films. And I'm going to give you a playlist full of songs that are perfect and specific for morning preps part of the film, or the ceremony part of the film, or the night do part of the film. I'm going to give you selections of tracks that you can use for the drinks reception part of the film. And I'm not only going to give you a playlist full of tracks, but I've put little notes in with each recommendation with timestamps of when and where and how to use each track. So it's a comprehensive list. This is all on here. This is the Wedding Filmmakers starter pack. It's a resource that I've built that I was considering selling. I built it initially to sell it in of itself because there's so much value in there, and I wanted to sell it as a resource. But we're including it, as I say, in the course for the first 100 people that register interest. Again, link in the description below. So that pack is going to be available to you if you jump on it quick, and that's why I wanted to make this video, to share with you guys what we're up to before we do an official announcement on the course. That's what we've been up to, that's what we've been going on. We've been working really hard on this. It's taken a lot of time, and there's going to be more info soon, and it's going to be out soon. If you are interested and you would like to hear more, make sure you register your interest following the link below, and look out for that coming in the next few days and weeks. And I'd also love to hear what you think about this course and this idea that we're putting together. So leave a comment as ever. I appreciate you watching. I realise that this isn't a regular kind of helpful video, but we're super excited about this, and we think it's going to be huge for a lot of you and going to help build a lot of wedding filmmaking businesses, and we can't wait to see all the successes that people have with this. We're really excited about it. So thank you for watching this video, and leave a comment if you have any comments, and I will see you soon.